Welcome Hustler by Modern Forms, a billiard-inspired pendant with generous up and down illumination. Hustler's oblong 54-inch silhouette is framed in black and complemented with natural grain dark wood, offering color variation with each unique piece. The luminaire has a sleek, modern look from its slide-on rectangular canopy with minimal hardware and thin, adjustable powered aircraft cables so the hanging height can be customized to your space. Hustler delivers powerful 90 CRI, 3000 Kelvin warm, functional light with simplicity and clarity of purpose. It dims easily with ELV, 0 to 10 volt, or TRIAC dimmers, and is ETL, cETL listed for damp locations. This energy-efficient pendant is rated for 54,000 hours of long life and is California Title 24 compliant. Natural elegance with contemporary style. Hustler from Modern Forms. For more information, please visit our website.